welcome to a summer week in my life. I'm with Raph right now.
Hi, we're going to get ramen.
Yes, we're gonna get ramen right now, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along with some more summer adventures. Okay, give us a fit check.
Okay, I got this vintage New York Yankees reversible jacket.
Wow.
I've got the vintage Coors Light tee.
He loves beer.
The Gap jeans. The cream black 350s.
Okay.
Pretty simple. Okay, Karen, give me a fit check.
Okay, so top is from Hollister, denim skirt and purse is from Urban, and then for accessories we got on these earrings, and then this necklace from Ana Luisa. I love how it's very dainty and doesn't tarnish easily, so good piece for the summer. Yay! Okay, so we have finished our meal. We're back to play Monopoly Deal. Tensions are rising. It's getting competitive. I just won the last 5 rounds.
That is incorrect. Okay, so for the rest of the day, we're going to get ready for my brother's high school grad.
Yeah, SFU.
And then we're going to get dinner at Atlas Steak and Fish in Burnaby.
Yeah.
And then we are going to go to a mystery location.
Yes.
W.
Okay, we are on our way to the function. For accessories, I kept this necklace on, and then also just added this little paperclip bracelet, also from Ana Luisa. And yeah, we're going black and gold.
The copyright
The lighting is giving.
It is giving.
The bugs are also giving. It's dinner time. I'm actually so hungry.
I know, I'm ready for like steak. I'm ready to like fill up. Alright, here we go.
Okay, so halfway through dinner, I got such bad cramps. I was fighting for my life.
I'm so full. I'm gonna explode.
Yeah,
I'm so full.
I was fighting for my life because I got like, okay, stop. And then I just received word that my studying abroad Amsterdam classes are out. So I'm gonna check right now to see which ones I got into. Okay, so mystery location reveal. We're going to my favorite speakeasy. It's called Key Party. It's disguised as an accountant's office. And then once you go in, it's like super like dark, candlelit, like Renaissance paintings vibes. So yeah,
I'm
let's
excited.
take you guys along. Good morning. It is Tuesday and it is steaming hot outside. It is like 21, 22 degrees. So we're gonna have a cute little downtown day. So first I got an email that I got a PR package. So let's go get that right now. This is the outfit of the day. Top is from Aritzia, skirt from PacSun. And for jewelry, I have this beautiful necklace from Ana Luisa. Love pearls, so today's the pearls day.
Hi, I'm back.
He's back. So we're headed downtown, and first thing on the agenda is taking him to another mystery location. Mystery location reveal. Yay!
Cheers. That's a good.
Now we're going to the art gallery. Yeah. Bye. Bed on the second floor, there was graphic nudity. So guess where we're going?
Second floor.
Gallery done.
It was really fun.
It was very cool.
Yeah.
We're both so tired, like
Ready to pass out.
collapsing on the
What time
ground.
was it? It was only like 5 p.m.
Yeah, we're just weak. We had one drink and that like ended us.
Took us out.
Yeah, it's over. What is he?
He isn't a kid though.
He's a bug kid
A
though.
buck kid though.
This was literally the happiest day of my life. We just set up cards for Bert and he literally won the game.
He's won 3 times and he's inanimate.
Why would you say that now?
We went to catch happy hour at Cactus. We always make reservations for the water view and it is absolutely stunning.
He loves his cars, so he's geeking. We love scouting for aesthetic looking locations. Good morning. So it is a pretty rainy day out today, so we're going to hit the gym, then cook some food with my friend T. As for accessories, we got this piece back on today. No need to be worrying about the gym or sweating it because it is water resistant. It's T! We're reunited!
We are. The bling is blinging. Play. Ooh. Look at her back. Ooh. Those gains.
We are stretching.
Flutter.
Okay, so now we're on our cooking mission and we're using like literally everything we can. We're using the microwave. He made this from the microwave. So lovely. What are you eating there?
The goods.
The goods from Trader Joe's a while back. Right now we're currently outfit shopping from the closet because we're going to this like stuffy rave on Friday. Currently on my way to work. I'm working at Rain or Shine in Kids, so got here a bit early and then just gonna take my time and walk there. At work now.
What a mouthful.
Good morning. It is currently 4:30 p.m. I woke up not too long ago. I got woken up 3 times in my sleep by insane cramps and could not get out of bed this morning. So I had a meeting at 2:30 today, but just could not do it. And then my angel T walked across campus, got me some medication and a hot water bottle. She is a real one, a lifesaver. So we're just going to take today pretty easy and just be kind to ourselves, and we're still gonna have a good day.
This is the fit for the day. Very comfy, very cozy.
This is the accessory of choice for the day from Ana Luisa. It's this golden cuff, which kind of reminds me of a watch strap without the watch itself. I really like this, just something to spice things up, even on a comfy fit day. Jenny Kim is here.
Hello, everyone.
And she brought timbers.
I did. I brought a 10-pack.
Amazing.
I'm so excited to eat it.
Me too. Hello! I'm with Marina Angel now.
And Bert today.
Yes.
You missed him a lot. Yeah, I missed him a lot.
Yes. And I see him every day, but I still miss him a lot. Yeah. And we're headed to this food event. Yeah. Anywhere there's food, we are there.
Precisely.
Yes.
Free food?
Free food, we're there.
After the food event, we literally went on a deep dive on Reddit into the lore about the storyline behind pyramids. So here's Bert bopping to and enjoying the music. I think he's giving an interpretive performance of it.
They're not punching well.
The vibey lights are on, the tea is made, the candle is lit. I'm gonna put Frank Ocean on and we're gonna have a nice little night in. Okay, my boyfriend just texted that he got me some food since I wasn't feeling too well today. So let's go and check it out. Good morning! I am working an opening shift for work this morning and then grabbing dinner with a friend, and then we got the stuffy rave for tonight. So I did my makeup all now, so just need to change later. And for today is a big gold day. So we got the cuff on, the necklace, and some gold earrings.
Here's the process of making the waffle cones. We make them all in-house.
Wow. Oh, nice finished product.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Okay, so just reached home. I got home a little later than I thought I would. I thought I would have some time to nap before tonight's function, but alas, it is time. So let's start getting ready. The way home.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like
Hello, just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for coming along for this week in my life. It was so fun spending it with you. And thank you so much again to Anna Luisa for sending over these beautiful pieces that you have seen throughout the video. All the links are in the description below. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more new exciting adventures coming. Bye!